Do you feel confused when you see people posting on LinkedIn and wondering why are they even doing this? Well, I can tell you one thing, they're doing this because something is working for them. Do you want to know how you can make it work too? Hey guys, here I'm going to tell you a blueprint to generate high quality leads in my LinkedIn workshop using content. And yes, they were posting content to generate leads. You don't have to be buffed about people's success stories. Rather, you can build your own. Well, you can be a successful one as well. Want to know how? Hey guys, I'm Vaibhav Sisanti. I'm the founder of Growth School, a growth hacker and also a mentor to thousands of students out there. And I can't be more excited to share about this kick-ass LinkedIn program where I'll teach you the art of generating leads on LinkedIn without actually spending $1 in ads. And on top of that, you'll also end up learning how to build a strong personal brand. And if you are someone who's looking for a job, that kind of clears that off as well. By the way, if you're trying to learn more about this program, all you have to do is click on the link below, check out the landing page, also see what other people think about this workshop and also the kind of results that I've got. I'm very sure you'll be very excited to be a part of it. So register right now and I'll see you inside.